Hi, this is Christoph from Dusty Trails. And look, this is the main bedroom that Matthew and I are slowly cleaning out. Hey, look, there's Matthew. Here's that window that was broken. Did you know there's a bullet hole in this window? It's like, yeah, it's been there for years. Why hasn't it been fixed? No one thought about it. It's just, a whistle hole when the wind blows. Anyhow, so yeah, we've been cooking here. It's pretty cool. Figured out that was a family of gargantuan rats that would come in here and raid our stocks, but now we have some cats living nearby that have been effective hunters, plus we put out rat traps, which are doing their job. This is a chicken coop thing. It's real heavy. It's like for a dozen chickens. Need two of those, maybe more. This is the pantry that, well, I guess once upon a time it was a child's room, but now it's an actual secondary pantry or primary pantry, I don't know, whatever. Loaded with stuff and food and of course there's more stuff in that closet. A couple of pictures. I just put those together yesterday.
I was looking for that.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's mine. Why is it here?
What?
That spiral cutter for making spiral cut potatoes.
How often do you make spiral cut potatoes?
Well, not often, but I was thinking about it the other day, and I was looking for it, and I was like, where is it?
Well, now you know. Feel free to take it home. Now, if you step back here, you'll see there's still a lot that needs to be done. Alright. So this is going to get cleaned out and turned into yet another pantry, because possibly animal feed, who knows. Anyway, there's a larger there and there for Ron when he decides to come out and get it. This floor needs to be replaced right here. And this, we're gonna still open plans for turning this into, what did she call it, a cattery? We're gonna put all the cat food and water and litter boxes and an apartment complex right there and right here. This is basically where they're gonna, this door will be open, but this is where the cats are gonna come back to sleep, I guess. The idea is to have a consolidated area for at least a dozen cats, because we have about 18 to 22 cats. Numbers vary upon the day and the count. And still haven't put that pipe up there because we need a ladder, and I just haven't brought the ladder out. And I need to cut right here, there, about 4 by 8 to put another piece of plywood. There's the plywood right here, so that these little soft spots will be taken care of. Oh, trash. all going to the dump once we get capability of, well, I guess it's all about money, really. You just need a few dollars, like, I think it's $20 for a ticket for the dump, and we can start hauling stuff out. Now, cesspool. Oh yeah, got Christina over there in that RV. She's been staying out here, keeping an eye on the place, which I appreciate. She's done a little work helping to clear bushes, which is awesome. I think that's one of her footprints. And this is supposed to be where she was going to put her RV. But things happened. And the guys with the trucks that were supposed to come and plop the RV in this spot right here, it never materialized. It never happened. I think Jason and his family just keep getting sick. That's the tower I'm working on. I need to put a couple more spindles on it. Get a couple of ratchet straps to kind of tie them all together. And make a little small scaffolding for the 355-gallon drums I'm going to put on top right up here to make temporary water storage for the trailer. Also, we have some solar panels that once I get these bushes cleared here, I think we're going to put them up against this fence line right here. I think that's what we were talking about. In the meantime, this square, I need to, this little square right here on the other side of this fence, it's right here. I need to put the chicken house right here. I need to build that as soon as possible. Because I know Lorraine's like, oh, I want to move out here now. I'm like, well, we can't until we get the animals out here. Because that's the whole point, isn't it? Can't take care of the animals if they're way over there. If they're way over there, it defeats the entire purpose of getting this place up and running. Because we got 30 chickies right now. Chickens popping out a little bit better than a dozen eggs a day, which is awesome. Thank you for the warm weather. And we want more chickens. We want a lot more chickens. So we're working on it. And we had this past weekend before, about a week ago, we had the Las Cruces Airsoft guys out there, right there, shooting at each other, doing their little tournaments. And it was a lot of fun for everybody. Everybody had fun. So much fun. They're like, you sure you don't want to play? We got some loaner gear. I'm like, nah, it's fine. I'm just out walking my dog. I had Ozzy with me. And everyone's like, whoa, that's an impressive dog. That's one thick dog. That's one guy said. I'm like, yeah, he is kind of thick. Got a big muscular head and a thick muscular neck. I called him my chief of security and they all agreed. Yep, sure enough. Anyway, that's what's happening. That's where we're at. Just working on the inside of the trailer right now. Once we get some funds to get the tickets, we'll start hauling trash out to the dump. And that's where we're at. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Maybe some of you guys have done some homesteading. You'd like to give some opinions. Remember, we're bringing this trailer back from the dead, and it was filled with all sorts of trash from several different sources. I have to say, I'm responsible for the tires. That was supposed to be another house, but that project died horribly. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. So this is Christoph from Dusty Trails Garage 4x4. And if you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see our merchandise. You know, we have shirts and hats and beer cozies and all sorts of fun stuff. So give us a look. And that's it for today. I'll do some more next Sunday. How's that? Is that a deal? See you later.